We are jumping straight into fixing your slow Claude web app experience so you can get back to your work without waiting for text to crawl across your screen. The fastest way to fix a sluggish interface is to hit the New Chat button at the top left of your screen. Long conversations accumulate an enormous amount of data in the background, which forces Claude to reread everything every single time you press enter. Starting fresh clears that accumulated context window instantly. Now, that goes both ways. When you start a new chat, you lose the immediate memory of your previous questions, but you gain a massive boost in responsiveness. If a new chat does not do the trick, the issue is likely happening right inside your browser data. To clear this out on Chrome or Edge, use your keyboard and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. A menu will pop up on your screen. You need to set the time range to all time. Then check the boxes next to Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Once you click Clear Data, restart your browser entirely and log back into the app. The important thing is that clearing this data logs you out of most websites, so you will need to type your passwords back in, but it strips away the corrupted files that slow down web apps. If you want to test whether your browser settings are causing the lag without wiping your history, open a private window. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus N to open an incognito window. Head over to the Claude website and sign in. If the app suddenly runs perfectly, a browser extension is fighting with the interface. In my case, I had to look at my active extensions and manually turn off my heavy ad blockers and privacy scripts. You can do this by clicking the puzzle piece icon in your top right toolbar, managing your extensions, and toggling them off one by one. When the software itself is not the bottleneck, your network configuration might be adding extra latency. Navigate to your computer settings or your toolbar and disable any active VPNs or proxies. These services route your internet traffic through distant servers, which delays the response time from the AI. You should also click the Model Selector dropdown inside the text box on your screen and switch your model over to Claude 3 Haiku. This specific version uses lighter reasoning processing, making it significantly faster than the heavier models. You can also pull up a new tab and type in status.anthropic.com to see if the main servers are facing an outage. If the platform shows yellow or red bars, the issue is on their side, and you just have to wait for them to deploy a fix. If the servers are green, look at the text you are sending. You want to edit down your prompts by deleting repeated text and long blocks of background data. Break your complex tasks into 3 or 4 smaller prompts instead of sending one massive wall of text. Finally, if you are still stuck, back out of the browser completely, open your computer system menu, and select Restart to clear out your hardware memory. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.